Want to make your own tasty leche flan or cream caramel at home? Keep watching the Filipino-Canadian cooking. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 10 large eggs, 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup fresh milk or evaporated milk, 6 tablespoons white sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and you will need 2 Leche Flan molders, or they call it Llanera. We will also be using aluminum foil, and finally a steamer. Please note that these ingredients will make 2 servings of Leche Flan. To start, you have to separate the egg yolks from the egg white. Place the egg yolks in a separate bowl. Once you have separated the egg yolks from the egg white, start beating the egg yolks. Then, we will slowly add the condensed milk and keep whisking. Whisk the mixture until it's well incorporated. Once it's fully incorporated, the next step is to mix in the fresh milk or evaporated milk. Keep whisking the mixture until it's fully incorporated. Next step, we will add the vanilla extract and keep it well mixed. Next step is we'll create the caramel sauce. For this, we put the white sugar on a saucepan and put our stove on high heat and keep mixing the white sugar until it starts to melt. Be sure to keep mixing so that you don't burn the sugar. As you can see, the sugar is starting to melt. The sugar mixture will start to turn brown, and once brown in color, we can now remove it from the stove. Then we will pour the caramel sauce onto our Leche Flan molders. Spread the sugar mixture evenly on the molder. and let it cool before we add our egg mixture into the molder. Next, we will boil some water on our steamer. Okay, while we wait for the water to boil, we can now put our egg mixture onto our Leche Flan molder. Slowly scoop some of the mixture and just pour it on top of the caramel sauce that we created earlier. Next, we'll cover our molder with aluminum foil. Once we cover it with foil, we carefully put our molder onto the steamer. We will steam our Leche Flan for around 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is over, we remove our Leche Flan molder from the steamer and let it rest and let it cool for 10 minutes. Once it's completely cool, we can now remove the aluminum foil off our molder and make sure to scrape the side of the Leche Flan with a knife so we can easily take it out from the molder. And that's it. That's our homemade Leche Flan. If you enjoyed this Leche Flan recipe, then please subscribe to my channel right now. And also let me know how your Leche Flan tastes, or which part of this video did you enjoy the most. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.